Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account linked to AdSense because mismatched accounts block fixes. Next, inspect payment profile, tax form status and PIN, update any stale address. Once done, make sure your site is verified in Search Console and the AdSense URL matches exactly, including HTTPS versus HTTP and trailing slashes. If ownership isn't verified, you can't complete later steps, so solve that now. It prevents delays when you request review or change payment details. Next, dive into the Policy Center to see precise violation notices and required actions. This is why many fixes fail. Address content quality, remove thin or duplicate pages, correct navigation, upload a proper ads. TXT, and optimize mobile layout and load speed. After applying fixes, rerun validation checks and capture screenshots and logs of corrected pages. You'll need evidence for appeals. Make sure ad code is current and placed correctly. Incorrect placements trigger policy flags and revenue holds. Finally, compile your evidence and submit a review through the AdSense appeal flow, explaining exactly what you changed and why. Attach before and after screenshots, Search Console verification, and timestamps for fixes so reviewers can reproduce the corrected state. Once submitted, expect 72 to 120 hours for processing. Meanwhile, monitor email and account notifications. If the appeal is denied, read the rejection reason, make targeted changes, and re-appeal. Often a single overlooked item causes repeat denials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.